All I need is one day, one time. All I need is one take, one line, and I'm gonna make you fall in love with me.
Alright, y'all, looking busted, but it's okay because the vlog is the glow up, right? So it's eyebrow time. I get my eyebrows threaded. I haven't got my eyebrows waxed in almost 10 years, 10, 11 years. So I'm about to go to my girl Jazz, show you her shop.
I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you
I look crazy. Y'all know what this video is. We glowing up. But I am going to get waxed. Y'all have already seen me get sugar waxed before, so it won't be a long clip. But thank y'all for 13K so far on that video. That's absolutely amazing. I appreciate y'all so much.
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the boogie.
Hey y'all. I have a Vajacial appointment. I know I just saw me finish getting a wax, but I get my Vajacials done by the girl who actually taught me how to wax. I honestly don't even need Vajacials, but I like love going to get them. I love going to her.
That T1 girl, don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl, body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose.
So all I really have left to do is my yoni steam since we moved it, and get my hair done. And y'all, my nails are atrocious. Like, it's honestly embarrassing. Y'all can't even see. So it's yoni steam time. It's Tasha's first time here. Whew. But y'all seen the video where I get my yoni steams.
Do I need to take my shirt off?
Girl, you brought everything. You gonna sweat, yeah.
Oh, I know, it's like hot.
How was it?
It was so good, y'all.
Oh, my hair.
Like, it was better than when I did it myself at home. Like, I don't know what I did at home wrong, but thumbs up. I'm coming back.
Ooh, this about to be cute. Real soon, I promise. I am headed to get my nails done. Jeez Louise. And my feet done. So I will see y'all in a minute. Don't match. Don't worry about it. I'm telling, look, the last day of the vloggy vlog, I'm gonna be that girl, you hear me?
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses.
Which was more like a, you know, glow up with me to like go somewhere, like on a trip or do something. But I ain't doing nothing. Honestly, this is my routine. So every 2 weeks, I get my hair done. I don't miss a beat. Every other week, I'm in the hair salon. Every month, I'm getting a wax and a Vajacial. I don't miss a beat. Every month, right after my cycle, I get a yoni steam. And then I get my nails done when I feel like it. But, and my eyebrows are monthly too. But I'm just showing y'all how I maintain myself. I don't really, you know, do maintenance to go anywhere. I do maintenance for me to feel good. So, always cute, baby. Always.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a bum.
So I'm gonna cave and make a lash appointment, even though I really don't want to. Like, lashes just, once they start falling off, you just look unkept. So I'm gonna like force myself to keep them up. I say that now and then I be looking crazy, but I want to feel cute.
I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe.
fine. They look natural.
Yeah,
so
they look
they're
really
not,
cute.
I don't think their job was saying anything. I done did worse.
Like super dramatic.
Woo! Even with like hair, even like color.
All right, y'all, so I am finally back home from my hair appointment and my lash appointment. Then I realized that I didn't show y'all my nails, so I tried a new shape. I tried almond, and I actually really like them. Got my unit reinstalled. You know what I'm saying? little something. And then, y'all know this was like a very quick last minute game time decision. Got my lashes done. She squeezed me in. Literally, I DM'd her and she squeezed me in the next day. So bomb. And they came out really, really good. So everybody's information y'all already know is linked on the screen and in the bio. Let me know what else y'all want to see. I have some more ideas, but I would love to know what you all want to see. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next week. Bye, girl.